rice, fish. Okay. Kerala rice, no?
Boiled rice.
Okay.
For me, white.
White. I
Yeah,
don't
no,
know.
make it normal.
I don't know if it
I
is
mean,
there.
you guys take a boiled rice. Ocean movie ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Deadpool 3.
3
ಸ್ಟೋರಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಖತ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಸಕ್ಕತ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
It's good
Yeah.
or average.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, good.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್.
Action work, yeah. Kaipunnya means.
ಕೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
No, it's like Kaipunnya means like. What? Kaipunnya meaning എന്താ?
Good talent like
No, no.
ഐശ്വര്യത്തിന്റെ
Kaipunnya, I will search.
What is this Joel?
He's a blessed person. Everything he touches is like something like that.
Everything it touches, touch. Hand came in picture, right? Kai is Tamil. In Tamil it's hand.
You know, you understand Tamil but not Malayalam.
It's not same. Theoretically it's same. Practically it is different. See,
What is it in Kannada?
You took us to this movie, right? Manjumal. Tamil people were speaking Tamil. That I understood, but not Malayalis.
And language.
ഏതാ ഫിഷ് കറി വെച്ചത്?
Fish curry അല്ല.
അല്ല.
ഫിഷിൻ്റെ കൂടെ അല്ലാതെ ഗ്രേവി, ഫിഷ് ഗ്രേവി.
Maybe I know.
We don't eat in Kerala.
No, really.
I mean, we eat in at breakfast. Other than that, no. We are like,
Compared to Karnataka, Kerala food are costly.
no,
And there also
it's because it is in Karnataka. They are very costly. Otherwise, okay, maybe Karimeen and all are costly. Other than that, no.
curry mean means exactly what is
Fish curry in terms of this thing,
Hmm?
position, officially.
I
That's
checked.
left.
ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ